Hello everyone from another new technical analysis video, friends. I am Omar Farouk. Today we will examine XRP with you. We will look at Bitcoin and I will try to find potential directions that can happen in Bitcoin dominance. Now in this system that we have looked at with Elliott Waves, you see the triple decline here, A, B, C, and the triple movement here. I think this is where the main region is with the triple that comes after it, but with the new triple that I think will continue, and the last triple that will come after it. In the combinations here, we can say this. This section is a target for us. In other words, $1.14 to $1.5 is a target for us. With the decline here, our main structure will be formed as follows. I think the last triple here will end this way. This place can come very hard. There is still the possibility of positive attacks. If this movement here exceeds $3 and $3.20 here in a very voluminous way, the price will rise upwards again after consolidating here. The important levels are $3 above and the yellow zone you have seen below. Now I can say this clearly. The price in Bitcoin is in a flattening process, but XRP is more volatile. What can happen in this situation? Now I think we can draw the uptrend here together. Look, in this movement, we can see that the middle band of XRP is $2.60 and the lower band is $2.10. In the negative directional attacks that may come here, if XRP is now priced below $2.10, I think it will be very normal to fall to $1.50 with the hard movement here. This section is very critical for us. Look, there was a level we drew with Fibonacci, and the closures below this level still have not happened. Below $2, that is below the 236 level, prices still do not show a closing. The loss of this level, which is important in this section, will now show us that XRP will come to this clear section. If the price rises above $3, as I said, it may make us think that it will start its new attacks. Now I think the most important event is happening in Bitcoin. Look, we are currently experiencing a major consolidation process in Bitcoin, and the variations that may come in the analysis here are exactly like this. With the triple end of the C wave, I think their potential target is the green box. If there is a volatile hard movement, there is a possibility that the price may rise until the orange box. I think for the moment the price is at levels that are more suitable and important to make this move here, as you can see. In this section, if a triple move comes, I can show you exactly this. The price can go down much more sharply. The places I see as targets are the 59,000 and 51,000 regions, and a hard sales movement that can come up to here will turn itself back towards positive. The important assumption for me at the moment is that the C wave here, that is the triple movement, is over, and with the new movement that will come after this movement, I think a sale up to here. As I said in the previous video, I think there will be a very big explosion after this period of horizontality and lack of volume. This is probably downward. In order for it to come upwards, the price definitely needs a weekly candle close above $108,000 in order to see $150,000 in Bitcoin. And if these weekly closures come, if such a pump is experienced, upward attacks of $150,000 may come. This is the scenario I have seen in general, and with this scenario, I think that the price should consolidate by making a very hard attack somewhere between $59,000 and $49,000. The main reason why I do not look at the market positively is that, as I always say, the price is too high and should now enter the correction phase. There are big outflows in volumes and this is critical for us. Look, I will show you this now. After the consolidation here, we saw an upside in the price. The $100,000 movement started from here. And for the first time, Bitcoin, which came out positive from consolidations, now gave us a negative consolidation process. This is very critical, friends. Look after the consolidation here. Rise, 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 and a decline here is negative for us. Because of this negativity, it would be nonsense not to talk about the possibility of the price making such a move anymore. So we have to talk about these declines now. The next upward movement that may come after this, that is $150,000. I think this movement can be experienced after the correction that will come up to the minimum band range of $50,000 and $60,000. Now let's take a look at dominance. And what dominance shows us? Look, dominance still has not crossed the middle band of this rising trend, but it is very close. Now it would be more correct to look at it as follows. There is an uptrend here. There is actually a minor uptrend, and the middle band in this uptrend, if the 64 to 65 levels are exceeded, I think it will go to the 60s very hard. I think there may be big sales for altcoins. The important thing is that the downward movement here does not come. If this bearish value comes, we can see a dominance movement that can correct up to the 50s, which can be a good revival opportunity for altcoins. After telling you this, I say subscribe to my channel and take care of yourself. See you in new videos. Goodbye.